In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom 2x2-inch image design using Canva. It's a simple process that lets you personalize your design quickly and effectively. If you're new to Canva or just looking to refine your design skills, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create exactly what you need. First, let's navigate to the Canva main menu. Open your browser and head to Canva's website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features we're going to use today. If you haven't used Canva before, setting up an account is simple and free, so don't worry about any complicated sign-up steps here. With your account ready, we're set to dive into creating custom designs. Next, you'll want to find the Create button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the Canva interface. Go ahead and click this button to get started. Once you've clicked, you'll see an option for custom size. Select this, and we're ready to move on to the next part of the process. In this step, you need to make sure the units are set to inches. This is crucial for ensuring your design dimensions are correct, especially if you're planning to print or physically scale your image later. Look for the drop-down menu that lets you choose different units like pixels, millimeters, and of course inches, which is what we need for this project. Now it's time to set the dimensions. In the width and height fields, you'll enter the value 2 for each. This creates our 2x2-inch canvas, providing the perfect size needed for small image designs or crafts that require precision. Once both fields are correctly filled out with the number 2, you're ready to bring your design to life. After configuring the size, click on Create New Design. This action opens up a blank canvas with the dimensions you specified. Here you can now insert any image or graphic you have in mind. Simply upload your chosen image and fit it to this 2x2 canvas. Canva's intuitive interface makes it a breeze to adjust and fit images exactly as needed, so take your time to get it just right. And there you have it, a perfectly sized 2x2 image. The final step is quite simple. Take a moment to review your work and you're done. You'll find that with this easy process, creating custom-sized images on Canva is not only fun, but also incredibly convenient. Remember that you can always revisit these steps for more designs or explore Canva's additional features to further enhance your creations. Thank you for watching and happy designing.